Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Wizz year-round spreader. It's by Scott's. It is the perfect addition to my lawn. So what I use it for is to put fertilizer or seed around my lawn, and as easy as 1, 2, 3. On the side here, it has an adjustment where if I set it, I can either spread only to one side or open it and it spreads out as far as I want. I can control the amount of spread that it does by just adjusting my dial in the front. It also has a lock on and lock off. So if I put it on, take the lock off, all I do is press the button and the fertilizer comes out. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. 1, 2, 3, and I'm done. So this is my Wizz spreader by Scott's. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.